Hello, welcome back. This time I'm unboxing NBA Ballers. It says it's mini posters included, so you can get 38 to collect. Could be any of them, any player, any star player from the NBA. Also says 5 surprises on the inside. So start to do this. I'm a fan of the Celtics. You can see right here. Added it to my watch there. So I never bought any of these. So I'm gonna see how to really open this here. I would like to get something on the Celtics. The Bucks, Damian Lillard. Celtics will probably be Jason Tatum. I'm not sure what players they do have. I think it's just one or the main ones from each team that they have part of this. So, chances are. But still. Luka from the Mavericks. I like the Mavericks, so that'll be a good one to get as well. Like I said, it's the first time getting anything like this, so I might not know how to open this right away. It's coming. It's hatch. Ho ho ho. What's it gonna be? And I didn't know this was like easily peelable. I thought it would stay orange, so it can't stay looking like a basketball. But no. So it sucks that this peels off so easily, because I would want it to stay in the circle, so that rather than it's just an egg, looks like a Pokemon ball. Okay, so I still cannot see what the players are, but it has this. So I'm gonna take a look at that first. It says, maybe it's a spoiler. It's pretty much a list of all the players possible to get. Okay, pretty much a collection list here. So let's see what we got in this bag. Oh, it's one, two separate bags. Okay. So this one says NBA Ballers. This one says it as well, but they're two different. This one's a bigger look than this one, so I'm gonna open the small one first. See what's inside. Mystery type gimmick. It's like a little basketball court thing. Puzzle. Okay, maybe this is a clue as to what I'm getting. But here's the Milwaukee logo. The Bucks. Just like I said, I wanted Damian Lillard. And here is the little mini poster inside included from Janice of the Bucks. Yep. So it looks like that's a clue to what little money I'd be getting. And here's, so those are those three items, right? And then the last thing here on that bag is a basketball. Look at the details. It even has the same Wilson logo and everything. A tiny basketball. So those are 4 items. So those are probably a sign of things to come. It's probably, I'm assuming it's going to be the same player. So it's going to be. Oh yeah, it definitely is. There he is. Y'all see him? Yep. Number 34 himself. Awesome. I like the big head. I just knew it had to be the Bucks because on the egg it had one side Hornets, the other side Milwaukee 34 right here, and I just knew, that was a clue. I just felt it. So, yep, I got a player the Bucks, which is good. I like the Bucks. I'm a fan of several teams. Celtics are my number one team that I like. I like the Bucks. I like the Mavericks. I like the Nets, the Knicks, and I like the Nuggets. So those are 5 teams I like, and there it is. Right now I'll give you a close up of it, and then we'll conclude the video. So here it is, everything: the mini poster, the sticker, the tiny mini basketball, little piece of basket court, and the player himself, a big head and everything. Check out the details here in the front, the back as well. He just needs a starry drink like the commercial, and it's all complete. It's cool. Thanks for watching me unbox this NBA Ballers Mystery Package. Trying to get the ball in his hand here. Subscribe for more. Till next time.